Wow, guys, I am just exhausted. Every time we make a few steps forward, something happens that sets us back. We are waiting for a major hurricane, and as you can see, it looks pretty calm out there. But we live right on the water, and we have to evacuate. But I'll bring you up to speed tomorrow once we start preparing to evacuate. But anyways, thanks for tuning in. We just arrived at PGA National Resort, Palm Beach, Florida. Beautiful place.
We continue to coordinate with all of our electrical partners. As the governor's mentioned, there are over 30,000 linemen staged throughout the city, from north central Florida all the way down to Miami. As areas in South Florida
in place mode.
And we've been talking about that, right? Through the early hours this morning, your window was closing. And now the governor's press conference, they are reiterating it's just not safe. We've seen the roadways, the conditions, it is just not safe. Let's go to Chief Meteorologist Matt Devitt now. Matt, you're...
Wow. All right, guys. Wow. I've been here now for 3 days, and we're actually heading back. We really don't know what the conditions of our houses are, but we will keep you posted. We're heading back right now. Oh no. Power lines. Yeah.
Right here on the east side.
I see it. Oh, Lord.
They're all snapped.
My God. They're tarping my roof right now. Just got to the house. This is my dock. What the funniest thing is that right there was in here. This is the whole decking that was here. So the wind must have blown it up and over to get out. So that's over there. And then this whole section collapsed. And then this whole big section I doubt I can salvage it because look at that. And then we have it kind of sticking in the air. Of course, docks are not covered with insurance, so it's not looking good there. My neighbor's yard. So many boats like that tipped over in the water. He hasn't cleaned up yet. His dock. All right, guys, wow. My whole ceiling on the lanai collapsed, and it's all on the jacuzzi. We just got this jacuzzi, I don't know, less than a year ago. But I'm afraid if I go in there, that stuff could collapse on me. So I'm not quite sure if I should. I think I'm gonna leave it. All right, guys, wow, I bagged up all that, oh, what the hell's it called? Drywall. Losing my mind here. Bagged up all the drywall. I have 3 big bags here, heavy as all hell. And yeah, looks like my cushions got moldy. I don't know if you can see it. Look at that. Oh yeah, this is Tommy Bahama furniture, and because all the drywall was settling here, it got moldy. I have this whole container full of shingles. I don't know if you can see, there's water damage right there. This is the family room. My floor is starting to buckle up. Oh my God, look at this place. All right, guys, wow, I'm here to let you know that we have no damage here at the ranch. Extremely shocked. Driving into the ranch, we started noticing how many major trees that we lost. And it looked like some of the front ones hit the porch, and we didn't know if we had any damage to the house. But I'm so happy to report to you that the ranch is dry. There's no damage, no broken windows. So all in all here at the ranch, things are looking good. I wanted to show you an outside update. So these are the 2 major trees that fell. We already started cleaning up. They were hanging over the roof of the house. So we already started trimming up some of these trees. Anyways, my garden out front here pretty much was demolished, but I went in and started picking every Mexican petunia that I could, and I replanted all of my Mexican petunias over here near my garden shed. And I actually think they're adorable. Obviously they're looking a little wilted, but they will perk up. These are such a hardy flower, so I put them all around the garden shed. So I saved all my flowers. I even brought it down to this side, down here. Even in difficult times, I think you can always find something to be grateful for. It is difficult, I'm telling you. There's been so many emotions that I've gone through. Lots of sadness, lots of anger, but when it all comes down to, we are blessed, and we will definitely rebuild, and I feel like we will be stronger, and we will just pick up the pieces. And thank you for watching my video. It's been a whirlwind, but again, I am very happy to be reporting that we dodged a bullet, and I'm very grateful for that. Thank you.